Okay, so we're going to have a look at another question from the 2020 HSC Standard 2 Maths paper. So this is question 27. So we're going to have a look at question 27a. So we're told the shaded region on the diagram represents a garden. The scale is 1 centimetre equals 5 metres. So 1 square in this image. 1 square width is 1 centimetre. Use two applications of the trapezoidal rule to calculate the approximate area of the garden. So what we've got to do is we've got to turn these into trapeziums. So when it says trapezoidal rule, this just means turn these into trapeziums and then calculate their area. So we'll draw a little graphical representation here so we can draw on this a little bit. So we have 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wide. So we cut it in half, half again, half again, half here, half here, half here, half here. Right, so we have a node here, we have a node here, we have a node here. So this curves down like this, and this curves down like this. So this is the shaded area that we want to approximate. So let's change color to draw our trapeziums, because this is an exam, you can't just draw trapeziums on here. So first we're going to make one trapezium here. So this is our first trapezium. Then we're going to make another trapezium over here. The second trapezium, in fact, is just a square, as it turns out. Now we need to add dimensions to these, calculate their areas. So we're told 1 centimetre is 5 metres. That means the height over here is 5 centimetres, which is 25 metres. The width of these is 4 centimetres. 4 times 5 is 20. This is 20 metres. The second trapezium, it's not really a trapezium, it's a square, it's a special class of trapezium, also has a base of 20 metres and a height of 20 metres. So area 1, the area of a trapezium is the height, which is 20, divided by 2, multiplied by the average of the two side heights. This side height in here is 20, the big side height is 25, so this is 20 plus 25. So this gives us 10 times 45, this is 450, and that's meters squared. That's area 1, this one. And then this one we'll call area 2. Area 2 is the width, which is 20, divided by 2, multiplied by the sum of the two side heights. 20 plus 20, that's 10 times 40, that's 400. That's meters squared. So therefore, the total area is approximately 850 meters squared. And so this is how we do question 27a. Now we're going to have a look at the marking for this part. This is a very easy question to get marks for. So you get 1 mark if you calculate the area of a trapezium or equivalent merit. Right, so that's the first bit. You just have to set these up, start calculating, you get a mark. You will get a second mark if you have the right answer, but you've incorrectly scaled the answer. So if you answer in terms of centimeters instead of meters squared, or you incorrectly scale the sides, then you'll get a second mark, but you won't get the third mark. The third mark is for the answer 850, accompanied with working demonstrating that answer. So this is how we do this question, question 27a.